Hello, my name is Alisha Wielfaert. I am the founder of Yoke and Abundance. I am a creative leadership coach, and I work predominantly with women, but with some men too. And Yoke and Abundance was a sponsor of today's Bloom Inclusion Seminar. And one of the things that we were most excited about when it came to being a sponsor of this seminar is that diversity and inclusion is a core principle of Yoke and Abundance. And it's not something that we shout from the rooftops to do. It's something that we try to weave into the fabric of what we're doing in such a way that it's almost seamless to the public. And I think sometimes things that are done with a lot of intentionality are seamless to those that are viewing it. And getting to be a part of this seminar was so exciting because Jada brought together some caring, dynamic, interesting, forward-thinking people who are exceedingly passionate about the topic of diversity and inclusion. And they brought a lot of thoughtfulness into what they were doing. So it's been such a pleasure to be a part of that. The other thing that was really exciting about today is that yesterday I had the intention in our group of bringing my curiosity and bringing my joyfulness into play when I was talking to participants and talking to those that were presenting. And I was able to talk to participants about what they wanted to get out of this experience. And so many people are hungry for what's going on here at this seminar. So many participants are hungry to bring back diversity and inclusion, and they want to do it in a really intentional way. And Jada offered an opportunity for folks to come together and to have comfortable and uncomfortable conversations together in a safe environment with a gentle guiding hand. She brought together presenters that are skilled at what they do and are able to, take the hands of the participants that are here and guide them through really difficult conversations, really difficult topics, and to take it as deep as they needed to take it for themselves and their organization and their personal community. And I would say that the three words that I would use to sum up today were thoughtfulness, hunger. Those participants were hungry for this information, and open-mindedness.